Lamido Sanusi II has been reinstated as the Emir of Kano. This decision followed the Kano State House of Assembly's resolution to dethrone the current Emir and also dismantle the 4 new Emirates in the state established under a controversial law in 2019. Sanusi II has been reinstated, and is expected in Kano on Friday. According to credible inside sources, so certainly with the passage of the bill, Sanusi automatically stands reinstated. No need for confirmation, the thing to is wait for the governor to assent to it. The then restructuring of the Kano Emirate is seen as a political maneuver to diminish the influence of then Emir Sanusi II, a vocal critic of the former Governor Abdullahi Ganduje administration. The creation of the new Emirates fragmented the authority of the old Kano Emirate Council, diluting its power and influence. Meanwhile, the majority leader of the Kano State House of Assembly, Lawan Hussaini Chedi Aryangareza, who sponsored the amendment bill, shortly after Thursday's session, revealed to journalists that, the bill has been sent to the governor for assent. Now there is no longer an active Emir in Kano in all the 5 Emirates, Kano, Bichi, Gaya, Reno, and Karaya. The law now provides the governor to call on the traditional kingmakers to choose a new king. It's quite obvious now that the unprecedented visit to Aso Rock last week by Baba Aminu Dantata failed to save the day for the current Emir. The combined implications of this development are that Bichi is gone with Ganduje as Emir and chairman. Kwankwaso is back with Sanusi as Grand Khalifa. With time, the Emirs will yield space to the Fulanis, transient life. Transient powers.